Central, what do you want? Oh, he wants his balloon. Alright, here you go. You're welcome. Get him. Cheese. You saying cheese? Oh my gosh. Get him. Bah! Pop them all. Get him. Go. Go. Oh, my, this is so funny. I'm recording him.
It got too hot, so this part had came loose.
Oh, that's what I thought.
So y'all get pass the bag, honey. Always pass the bag.
Alright, Central, say bye to the camera.
Say bye.
Say bye to the camera. Baba. Come here.
Say the camera, say bye-bye.
Say bye to the camera. Central. Say bye. Okay, let me remind you what time it is. It is... Oh my god. Today is his birthday. It's 10:21 p.m. He's been running around the park all day and he still has energy. Why? What 2-year-old has energy like this after doing this at the park? Okay, they're gonna pop on you. They're gonna pop. They're gonna pop. They're gonna pop. They're gonna pop. Central, they're gonna pop. Ugh, you got slobber on them. Up, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. You can't reach him, huh? Oh, you too short? Are you too short? Oh, too bad. Say bye-bye to the balloons and the camera. Say bye-bye, camera.